Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get an Airbnb refund. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Airbnb application, and you want to simply go to your trips or the reservation section that you've already made. And inside of your reservation section, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select the specific trip that you booked and check if there is any free cancellation. If eligible, cancel directly to trigger an automatic refund. But sometimes what happens is there is no way to go ahead and get a refund or cancel because it might be a non-refundable hotel that you've chosen. All you need to do is talk to the host properly and then make sure that you select or let them know that you want to get a refund, and that is it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.